Hey everyone, in this video, today, a story has been provided to help you learn English. I hope it will be helpful in improving your English learning. So, let's start the video. Some people very rich, but inside, nothing. Outside they are very rich, nice house, nice cars, and everything. But inside nothing. Happiness is we can get happy with money or without money. I know in my country some people they are very rich. They are billions of billions, but they can't eat well because there's a cancer from here. Some people very rich, they can't walk well. There's a problem for a leg, but I am poor. I don't have anything, but I am very healthy. I can walk. I can talk with people. You know what I mean? I can eat well. Everything I can do in my best. But some people rich, but they are not healthy. Thank you so much.